How to access Spotify Wrapped on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to access Spotify Wrapped on Android or iOS phone. First thing you need to do here is to go to apps. This one for Android phones. Go to apps and then apps again, and here type Spotify. Then go to this one here, data usage, make sure background data is allowed, and then just go back and go to battery, and make sure power saving mode is disabled, and if you found here performance mode, enable it. And now open your Spotify and just make it like that, don't close it, just go back, and that's it. As you see now, the Spotify is running in my background. And now you just wait few minutes and then your problem will be fixed. Then just restart your phone and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem, and see you in the next video.